When I first came to Uganda, I was eager to start work because I'm a teacher by profession, so I thought I need to support my family, I need to build my life in a new country.
BrighterMonday eno nagimanya nakamala okusoma mu 2016. Mukwano gwange ye yagindagirira nga tunoonya emirimu n'angamba osobola okusigning up ku website yaabwe wabeerayo job alerts eza companies ez'enjawulo nga baagala abakozi.
But in due course, BrighterMonday would send e-letters on my email inviting me for Be a Boss Lady campaign online courses.
That word alone, Be a Boss Lady campaign, inspired me.
Nafuna mail okuva mu BrighterMonday nti osobola oparticipatinga, nenyega ku link gye baali bataddeyo, nenjoyininga ne babako ebibuuzo bye baatubuuza ne mbiddamu. Batusomesa okukola market research, nti osooka n'ogenda mu kitundu gy'oyagala otandika business, n'olaba business gy'oyagala otandikamu etambula etya mu kifo ekyo, n'okola research ku bakasitoma engeri gye bagulamu ekintu ekyo, n'abaliyo we babeera bakikola bakitunda batya, n'otagenda ng'oyinza otundira waggulu oba okutundira wansi ennyo. Ekyo n'enkiyiga.
The courses were so practical, they were so easy to understand, and everything just made sense. I'm able to apply everything that I learned in the courses in my business, like customer care, for instance. I'm able to know when a customer is not happy with my service. I'm able to welcome my customers very well. Even my employees, actually, I've transferred some of that knowledge even to my employees. I won a laptop under the Be a Boss Lady campaign. I went to their offices excited, of course. I got my laptop, and yeah.
That the phone I won, I've been using it to apply to different organizations.
I launched my restaurant weeks back, Da Foods, and I am a boss lady now. Life is so much easy because I'm able to stand on my own. Doors were locked, yes, but I managed to build my own doors. I have a message for a woman out there.
Omukyala yenna ali eyo, tugeze wamala okusoma oba onoonya mulimu, teweetya.
Keep believing, keep pushing. Use what you have in your hands. Let us try to leverage what we have so that we can make the best out of ourselves and be able to stand on our feet as women. Be a Boss Lady campaign, BrighterMonday. Thank you so much. I am a boss lady today.